name's Gareth Roberts. I live in Llanfairfechan and I've been the village blacksmith here for the last 21 years. By trade, I'm a sheet metal worker, and I've always been interested in sort of creating different things out of steel. And I just made friends with the previous owner of here and learnt his trade and took over when he decided to retire.
Do you think these small kind of village blacksmiths are kind of like a dying trade or anything?
There isn't a lot of us around.
No.
Which is quite sort of, that's what makes the business more prominent, because you cannot buy what off shelf, if you know what I mean. People now are starting to prefer something that's handmade rather than bulk bought from China.
Yeah.
Well, I've always messed about with metal fabrication and sort of engineering side of things all my life, really, in various things, various jobs, various things. I moved to the village, I don't know, probably about 8 years ago, when I got to know Gareth. And, we worked together doing the odd little thing here and there, and then we sort of got a bit more involved, and now I've been working with, well, flat out with Gareth now for the last 2 years, I suppose. Doing the railings and fabrication and all kinds of things. You know, the blacksmithing, well, I don't say it's a dying art, but people are not doing it. People don't do it these days, do they? You know, like Gareth said before, a lot of stuff tends to get bought in from and imported from other countries. And, you know, we were once upon a time one of the world's greatest manufacturing nations. You know, we built railways in the great industrial age, and steam and all that. You know, and kids did proper apprentices. Then they went out and they learned a skill. But I don't know, things have changed now, haven't they? It's good to preserve a bit of it as well, to be fair, because it's quite possible.